How was your night last night? Look how funny it is! Wild out here! Scared of getting stuck. Man, one wheel wonder. That's a big one. Look at that. Alright, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Swamp Ranch! No, we gotta yell it. My voice is almost gone and I'm gonna yell it. So I need you to be louder than me, alright? Because my voice is gone. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Swamp Ranch! I heard it too. I heard it in your voice. He gave his all. your night last night?
Pretty good.
They don't have night riding, so we're at camp. You know, Gatorwader camp boots. Sleep a little nugget. Sleep a little nugget. Are you enjoying your breakfast?
To get people pulled out? It's all tore up back there to get back there to be pulled out. Oh, we've seen the
yeah,
one
we've
guy
seen
come
that
out there yesterday with the
yeah.
forklift, with the boom forklift.
Yeah, but it takes 45 minutes to move that from one side of the park to the other.
Yeah.
Just pulling the other trucks out, and then after you take the transverse line,
yep.
and then depending how far you're back there, the opener, it won't be just you. It'll be 100.
Yeah. Oh, we understand
100 people that paid for
that's
Sunday.
Fun. That's what
That's how I look at it. That's how I get my content.
People
it's
out
like,
there
look.
playing where he puts on YouTube and shows the park. But I mean, that's that little spot up there is not gonna, you know, you can only so many people.
It's all good.
Not everybody.
It's all good. Pay to play and you can't play. We paid for Sunday. All these people paid for Sunday and they closed down the park because they can't get in there to pull them out. So, IronHorse, you were awesome up until now.
Yeah. That's what me and Matt said this morning.
It was like, y'all are, I don't know.
It's bullshit. They said it takes 45 minutes to go back there. Well, then get something else machine. Get another machine if you're charging someone $60.
Or offer your money back for people that paid to ride on Sunday.
On Sunday, if you can't, give them at least half their money back. Yeah. I mean, that's what me and Matt. That's what we said last time. All right, cool. We can go to the ATV park in the morning, man, and get our good morning ride. Yeah. And then we go back there. Nope.
You pay for it, can't do it.
And the excuse you give is like, wait a minute. What do you mean you got to travel back there? Well, nobody's playing in the other spots right now. Just
all the mud trucks are gone.
That's
I don't know. I love the park though.
This was a nice park. This is a nice park, but they rip you off.
Yep.
You heard that? Now we have to go home. Sorry guys, the video's ending. They don't close the mud pit for side-by-sides. We're gonna take over the truck pit. Oh man. 1, 2, 3. Swamp Ranch!
Babe.
That's magic. I can edit that to where
Do I stop it?
It looked like we just opened it.
Oh, like when we got here.
Yeah. Now it looks like we're leaving.
You know, I didn't help you either time.
No.
I was looking at you.
Justin, we gotta stop doing this in the neighborhood. We're kicked out. We're going to Swamp Ranch. Perfect. Yeah, we're loading up. We're going to the Swamp Ranch. See my gas cap. Sound good, don't it?
Yeah, boy.
Oh, man.
Said IronHorse was the worst riding experience I've ever had.
Yep.
He told us not to go, too.
He did.
No. Well, we have to put him on blast, so it's okay. Someone's got to be the voice
it's a long drive to be super strict and not be able to ride at night and blah blah blah, you know.
How do I look?
Decent.
That's the nicest thing you've ever said to me. Alright, you can take it off now. Alright, so we're gonna take this through the dark hole. You don't want to go that way.
No.
That's what we call the dark hole.
Not going that way. Not today. Usually I like to find those, but today I might pass on that.
That's gonna be our video today. You wanna be in it?
Can I drive a different side by side?
No.
I'm not going through it. It's not as flat, Dad.
Oh yeah, so we got my side by side up there, and this one we gotta check. Nope. Check the pressure. I need a belt. I won't wear the blue ones today. All right, Bren's wearing my other waders. You gonna put them on?
I'm zipping my jacket so I don't ruin my white shirt.
I got the blue ones on. Dad, did I get a package? Gatorwaders?
I don't know. I haven't
Box.
checked it. I was gone for a while.
Alright, because if I got my new ones, I got new ones on the way. If you guys don't know, Gatorwaders dropped a new line. I got some for Devin too. Devin, did our Gatorwaders come in?
No.
Alright, well, that sums it up. So, they haven't come in yet. Is this your first time in Gatorwaders?
Yeah.
You're just a little shorter, that's all.
Look at this. I can fit on another person.
Yeah, well, we aren't going that deep, so it's okay. Do you have your phone?
No.
Alright, you don't need it. Justin.
Which way are we going out?
We're going out. Should we get the front end loader just in case? Ready?
Yeah, probably.
Evan, you want to go through the dark hole? Oh, yeah. Alright, so we lost Justin. I don't know how. He has like this humongous side by side.
No, I think he's behind the building.
The house?
Yeah, I can hear him.
That way. Yeah, hop in with them. Is the front end loader ready to start?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
What, the tractor?
Yeah, that thing.
Or hog waller?
That thing. Have you ever rode out here?
You took me on a tour, but I never like ridden out here.
I took you out in the swamp?
No, because we were not in here four-wheeler.
Well, now you're about to walk out here. Alright, so straight ahead is the dark hole. Got our Gatorwaders on. How's it feel? You aren't deep yet. Once you get deep, like there's a hole right here. Somewhere. Hold on. Oh, yep. Go right here. Step in this right. Oh, this one. This one, step in this one.
No!
Yes, yes. You aren't gonna get wet.
I'm not.
No, they're waders.
What am I gonna do when we get back there? Ow!
Yeah, it's not muddy. Does it feel weird?
There's suction to my leg. Like I can't move. Give me.
You can get out. Come on, it's just like walking. Don't sink my waders though.
Yeah.
Alright, what you're gonna wanna do is go that way and don't get stuck.
Hey, we're just gonna go up and back into the hole and then go that way.
Oh, he might get stuck.
I can smell it.
I'm gonna walk with him. So yeah, this is a dark hole. We'll find my tracks out here. I made it across off camera. Now the key is to not spin your wheels. If you spin your wheels, you're going down, and it looks like he's already starting to go down. Oh, you're going down, boy. Oh, you're done. Oh, what? How is it? No way, he found bottom? No way! Ah! Oh, dude, he's done there. Oh, he's going! Dude! I can't believe that. Oh, there's a hole. I just stepped in his rut. Uh-oh. 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 He's stuck. He's stuck. Alright. Alright, Bren, go get the front end loader. Yeah, he's stuck. He's done. I'm surprised he made it. Ah!
You got the front end loader?
Yeah.
Hey,
Ah.
just
Oh, we're gonna have to move the Jeep. All right, come on, Bryn. We gotta get the front end loader. I kind of thought he was gonna make it there for a little bit. All right, so we need that. Got the rope, got the rope, got the rope, got the rope. We haven't used this thing in a while. We probably should have been prepared for this. Should we get the front end loader just in case ready?
Yeah, probably.
Like we said, we were gonna prepare for this and we didn't.
Yeah.
You wanna ride in the bucket?
Yeah.
All right, so I don't really know what I'm doing, so just hang on. I mean, I'm pretty good at this, so I think you'll be all right if I film and do this. I'm sorry, that was my bad. I did not mean to do that, I swear. All right, go ahead and get down. Oh, your roots are so deep. Okay, so I got the rope. It's back there. Devin's back there somewhere. I don't even see her. Oh, she's back there. And I'm going to the other rope. All right, now I don't know how I'm gonna tie a bow with this film, so I'm gonna just tie it wrong off of camera, and then I'll get back on camera.
Yeah, my bike's gonna overheat.
All right. Huh?
You just missed that whole thing. I was drinking while driving.
I was trying to pull my camera out.
So.
Unhook it? Alright. No, no, no! 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 Ow, the bow! It's not funny!
So Colt fell. We got them out.
I'm pulling them out by hand. See this? We got you! Come forward! What happened? How'd that happen?
Are these yours?
Yeah. Oh, my window doesn't go down. Don't go that way. It's pretty bad. Hey, why isn't the AC on? You know how hard it was pulling you out? It's a big side-by-side.
Where's the wheelie?
They're just cruising.
It's harder out here.
There she goes. This is what the back of Justin's head looks like. I don't think it's as deep as these snorkels, but it's deep straight right now.
It's deep, but and it's soft too.
Oh yeah, this is where it's soft. Please do not get stuck.
You won't. Just go to your right. It gets shallower as you go.
Yeah, we made it. We got.
Now you can cut out any.
That would have been cool to see.
Slopes to it. You know what I mean?
Hey, you want to go through it one more time? Yeah, I don't know if I like your side-by-side anymore. Didn't even make it through the dark hole.